Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use SORA 2 in N8N. Well, the process is actually pretty simple. What we have to do here, or what we are going to need, is a Fal AI account. So for that you will have to create a Fal AI account, which is pretty easy to do. So once you do that, or you verify your account, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Well, this one is not gonna be free, so you will have to deposit some money inside your Fal AI account. That way you can use the models that they offer. The first thing that we will start with is generating an API key so we can use Fal AI endpoints inside N8N. For that, you will have in your dashboard, you will go to Manage. Then under Manage, you will have to look for API keys and then click on it. Once you do that, you will have to click on Add Key. And then give it a description if you want. The scope, keep it to API, and then click on Create Key, and it will be generated for you. Copy that key and save it somewhere else. We'll use it later. Alright, now we'll go take a look at the endpoints that they offer for SORA 2. So if you go here in the search bar, type in SORA, and you will find these endpoints that use SORA 2. Alright, we'll click on one of them. So we can see that they offer image to video pro, which actually supports 1080p. Text to video pro supports 1080p again, and video to video to remix a video. And this tutorial will cover how to use the image to video and the text to video pro. The other ones are pretty simple. Just a couple of inputs will be changing, and that's it. But we'll need the pro here to have the best quality. So yeah, once you do that, just go here. You will see like a preview. You can use it inside the playground, but this is not the case for our video. We'll use it inside N8N. I have created two workflows actually for each case. So the image to video and the text to video. So for each one, I'll put the template for free for you guys in the description, so feel free to get it. It will be in our Discord server, so join the Discord and you'll find it in free assets room. Alright, but it's gonna be pretty simple. We'll use a on-form submission here. Just click on add node for both cases. Look for form, N8N form, and then under triggers, on new N8N form event, we'll have to create our forms for both cases. So for the first case, it will be image to video. We'll have a field name called prompt, element type is text. We have the ref image, since it's image to video. We'll be including URLs here, so element type will be text. Aspect ratio, it will be a drop down. It supports 916 and 16:9. Resolution, we'll have two options, 720p and 1080p. Duration, we'll have three options, 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 12 seconds. Let's go back here. If we go to Fal AI, we can see the cost. For the image to video, it will be $0.3 for 720p. Each second, of course, and $0.5 for 1080p. So yeah, to add an element to the form, just click on add form element. Alright, that's it for the first form. For the second form, it's pretty much the same, basically. Just this form doesn't have a ref image since it's the text to video, so we'll take only the prompt. And then after that, pretty much the same process will be repeating itself. So using Fal AI, you'll have to start initiating the call to Fal AI under the endpoint you want to use, and then wait for it again, give it a couple of seconds to generate. We'll have an HTTP request here that takes the video status, so we'll have three outputs, possible outputs, so it's completed, in progress, or in queue. If it's in progress or in queue, we'll have to wait again, and then get the status, and so on and so forth. If it's completed, we'll have to get that video URL that was generated, and after that, we'll have to use an HTTP request using get to take in that video URL so we can preview it inside N8N. Or you can do whatever with it after that. You can upload it to a drive, Airtable, etc. So yeah, it's pretty much the same for this one. The only thing that's gonna change is actually the endpoints that we'll use. So we'll start with the first HTTP request. So right click on add node, look for HTTP request. When you add it, you'll have to switch the method to post. The URL, I will show you how to get the URL. So the first part is prefixed actually. So a queue.fal.run/Fal AI will be the same in every case. The part that's gonna change is this with all the models available on Fal AI. So if you go back here, we'll see that Fal AI here is grayed out. It's a prefix, and then that's the part that's gonna change. So for this case, we have image to video. We'll copy this part here until pro, and then paste it right behind the Fal AI here. If we want to use the text to video pro, so we go here, you'll see that this one will change. So it will be SORA 2 text to video/pro, and then we'll use it, as you can see here. Alright, now we'll go to the inputs or the body request. Of course, remember, we'll have to create a generic auth type. So for authentication, select generic credential type. For the generic auth type, select header auth, and then you will have to create your credentials. Click on create new credential. Here you will have to input authorization, and here you will have to input key, space, and then copy and paste the API key you generated using Fal AI here. After that, click on save. I will not, because I already have done that. And it will be saved so you can use it across all the HTTP requests to Fal AI. After that, activate the send body. Keep the content type to JSON, specify body using fields below. Body parameters will have the prompt, the image URL, resolution, duration, aspect ratio. So for each one of them, we'll have to drag and drop. So if you go to previous executions, I don't know if I have one here. So yeah, if you go here, you will see in the left corner here, the previous inputs or the outputs of the previous node. So we'll have to drag and drop. For the prompt, we'll have to drag and drop prompt in here. For the image URL, we'll have to drag and drop the ref image here, and so on and so forth. All right, if we go back to editor here, that's it pretty much for the HTTP request. Next, we'll add a wait node. So right click on add node, look for wait, and then add it. We'll have to specify a wait of 1 second here. I kept it 1 second. After that, we'll need an HTTP request that is get type, of course. The URL, it will be, again, if we go to executions, it will be the output of this generate video node. So if you go here, this one will output a status URL that we'll have to drag it and drop it inside the URL here. That way we can get the status of this run. Same for the authentication. We'll not need any body parameters here. We'll just add a timeout. So click on add option. You'll find timeout here, add it, and then keep it to 10,000. All right, this is it. This one will respond to us with the status, either completed, in progress, or in queue. For that, we'll add a switch node. So click and look for switch. And then in the switch, we'll have 3 rules. So the first rule is completed. If it's equal to completed, if the status is equal to completed, so basically the output of the previous node, drag and drop it here. It's either it's in progress or it's in queue. All right. Once you will finish with the switch node, you will have to hook the outputs to the right place. So in progress or in queue, just link them to the wait node, so start of the wait node. If it's completed, we'll have to create an HTTP request again, get method. This time we'll need not the status URL from the generate video, but we'll need the response URL. So drag and drop the response URL here. Again, we'll use the same authentication we had just created for Fal AI, and we'll not need any other body here or option. After that, we'll have a simple HTTP request. That's gonna be a get method, and we are going to hook the URL to the output URL we got from the get video node here. If we go back, it's pretty much the same. So the output of the get video will give us a URL under the object video. So drag and drop it there. All right. So it's pretty much the same thing for this one. Just what's gonna change is this body request here will not have a ref image. So we'll not use it. So we'll keep it only prompt, resolution, duration, and aspect ratio, and the rest is the same. All right, let's get to testing now. Let's see how it actually works. So let's try for the image to video. Go to execute workflow, and then fill in the form that you got. So and then we'll see how it actually works. As you can see, our workflow has finished executing. So if you go here to preview video, we'll see that we got an output. If you go to view, we'll see it. All right, so that's the chocolate melting. So this is for the image to video. Let's quickly try the text to video now. So let's go here, change this to text to video, click here, fill up the form. Let's select 16:9 now, resolution 720 again to not consume a lot of tokens. So click on submit and we wait for it. Right, as we can see, our second workflow has finished executing as well. So as you can see, we don't have any errors here. It took a bit of time though, because I guess a lot of people are requesting it, but we got a result. So if you view this, all right, it gave us the video basically. Gave us everything we needed. 2 cats playing with a tennis ball. And yeah, so yeah guys, this has been it. This is how you use SORA inside N8N. I mean, you can combine it, you can create a sub workflow out of this and call it every time. You need to use SORA in N8N. I will leave this JSON template for you guys in our free Discord server, so feel free to join it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.